everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany and today I am doing my update for the month of January skincare product that I was testing out. So as usual, when I do the review and do the update, I don't wear any makeup so that way I can take some pictures. I can zoom in with a little video clip at the end of the video and kind of show you guys exactly how my skin is looking after I had tested out these products for the month. So I'm not going to get actually too much into detail because I will link the video above of when I did the introduction in the beginning of the month. So I'm doing my skincare project based on a list of 16 different products that were posted on Town & Country magazine for under eye wrinkles. So I believe on month 5 now, and I have just been moving down or moving up the list from the lowest price to the highest priced item, and then also testing another couple products in the line of whatever I pick up, or if I can find a set or something like that, then I will test that out as well. So this month I had tested out the Naya products that I had purchased through Macy's. And the key thing that I'm testing out is the under eye cream for fine lines and wrinkles. So I noticed, as I mentioned before, that when I turned 34, I started to really notice some lines starting to creep up on me. And about, I guess 2 years ago, I had really like sunken in under eyes. So I went for eye injections at a medical spa and it looked great while it lasted. So I didn't really have like too many wrinkles at the time when I did that, but because I've noticed more of like the fine lines starting to really kind of creep in, I've just been trying to do whatever I can to keep things from getting any worse and from having to do the injections again. So that's kind of what prompted this whole idea of doing or testing out these different products. So this month, like I had mentioned, I was testing out this kit from Macy's that is the Naya, which is not into aging, startup kit. So with the startup kit, it came with the eye cream, which is the Fake Awake Triple Action Eye Gel. So it came with this little eye gel that was in there, and I believe the size of it was 5 milliliters, so 0.17 fluid ounces. So this still has quite a bit of product left in it, which is kind of cool because I used it for the whole month, but I still have a little bit left, so I will pass that on. And then I also had the Naya Fully Charged Serum and Moisturizer. This was a 2-in-1, and the size of it was 10 milliliters, so 0.35 fluid ounces, and it looks like this. I'll kind of like show you guys a little bit more with little clips. And then the cleanser that came with the kit is the Wash and Glow Hydrating Cleansing Foam, and looks like this. And this was in, let's see, 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. And there's still a little bit left in here of the cleanser. I have a good portion of the serum and the moisturizer left. So my opinion on these products, okay, let's start with the cleanser. So the cleanser, it was okay. It has a light, like floral scent to it. Definitely did not aggravate or irritate my eyes, which are sensitive like a lot of other people's. But I've had it in my eyes before. It did not irritate at all whatsoever. It's a foaming cleanser, so I don't know. I'm starting to kind of like figure out what I like and what I don't like. And as much as I like the foaming of it and that the fact that it feels sudsy on your skin, I feel like it's not, I don't know how to say it. Like I feel like I just like cream cleansers more, even gel cleansers, because I feel like it just kind of goes to nothing on my skin. I don't know. That probably doesn't make sense, but it's just kind of like how it feels whenever I put it on. It does make my face feel nice and clean after I rinse it, but I wasn't like with these products this month, I don't know what it was. I wasn't like overly excited to use these things. So I felt like my skin looks worse than what it's ever looked since we started this. I've had more breakouts. It's just awful right now. Now, I don't know if it's because of the combination of like a lot of stress that I've been under lately, lack of sleep. It's been a constant thing in our house for weeks now, just due to a sick puppy dog. And also it's just been super windy, so whenever I go outside I try to put some moisturizer on my face and just protect it and cover it as much as possible, but it's just been really cold and windy. So I don't know if it's a combination of all of those things that's just making my skin go crazy this month. But I wasn't, as much as I used the products, I didn't get excited to use them. So there's nothing wrong with them. I feel like they did a good job, but it was just nothing like, I don't know. I didn't really see any great results from any of the products. So the cleanser, like I said, was okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase it again just because like I like other formulas, I guess, better of using the product. The serum and the moisturizer, I felt like it lays on the skin really nice, even if you put it under makeup. It's got like the same, I believe this one has the same like light floral scent to it. But I didn't feel like it was hydrating enough. I felt like for a serum and moisturizer, it should have been a little bit more hydrating. It's kind of like a gel, like a, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but like a gel. And it sinks into the skin really nicely, and it kind of feels like just like a water, I don't know. It doesn't, but it doesn't, it's, for me, it's not moisturizing enough, and I feel like it sinks really well into the skin, but it doesn't give me the moisture like that I need right now at this time of year. But no stickiness, no tackiness. It, like I said, it lays really well under makeup, and you know, it has that light scent again. So if you are a person that's like can't deal with like heavily fragranced things or skincare, then this one is not, it's not bad. Like it definitely has like a light scent to it, but it's not something that's going to drive you crazy when you have it on. Now for the Triple Action Eye Gel, which is the Fake Awake, this stuff I felt like it did nothing. So I will take pictures at the end and zoom in, but I feel like my skin or the under my eyes looks exactly the same way it looked last month. So I didn't see any improvements with it. I would use it all up here, and then of course like under my eye. It has like a little bit of a glitter in it, so I don't know if you would be able to see that, but it has like a little bit of a shimmer glitter in the actual eye gel, which it doesn't bother me at all because you can't really see it when you place it on your skin. It just kind of like maybe illuminates it a little tiny bit, but nothing crazy. But it does have like a little bit of a shimmer in it when you put it on, or when you're placing it on underneath. You can kind of see it when you squeeze it out of the little tube. For packaging, I do like the way these things are packaged because I like the idea of the pump, and then I like the idea of like the tubes rather than the jar. I prefer that way to dispense product on my face is much cleaner. But overall this month, again, I wasn't really blown away, and I didn't really see any kind of miraculous changes with my skin. But like I said, I'm not sure if it's because of the combination of all the other things that have been this past month. So I would say overall, if it's something you're looking for, like a basic skincare set of something you want to try to get into, this might be a good one to pick up, especially if it's still available. I will link it below in Macy's, but it's $20 for the kit. So it's not bad of a product to try out if it's something that you're looking into trying. But for me personally, I probably wouldn't pick it up again. So that's pretty much it for everything I wanted to mention about this month's skincare project. Like I said, I will link the video above so you guys can check that out as the introduction, and just kind of goes into more detail of what exactly I'm doing. And just because I know if you're following along with this, I don't want to be like overly repetitive in what everything is each month, because we still got a lot more projects or a lot more products to test out. So I'm excited for next month, or for actually this month. Today is the first day of February, so I will be starting to use up the products that I have had purchased through Derm Store for this month. So stay tuned if you're curious to see what that is. I will probably be uploading that video within the next couple days. So I hope to see you guys soon. If you have not done so yet, make sure you subscribe so you can kind of go on this little journey with me, because it's fun to try out new products and test things out. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for the pictures. I will put those at the end with a little video clip so you can really see how my skin looks. So I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.